We're going to show you how easy it is to count words in your document using myWordCount from myWriterTools. This program is available on the Macintosh and in Windows. When the program opens, you select the File Open menu to select your document. It will read Word, text, RTF, websites, the clipboard, or Scrivener files. We'll select a several hundred-page document here, open it, we confirm that this is the correct file, and then we click on the Word tab in the myWordCount program. The top has various filtering options that we can turn on. We can combine upper and lower case. We can determine if hyphens and slashes are counted as word separators or not. We can make sure that common words ending with a period, such as doctor, AM, PM, are counted as separate words and not ends of sentences. We have a stemming option, and we can select if numbers are included in the word count. We can then select the shortest length of the word to count. In this case, we'll select words of 2 characters or more. We click on the Count Words button, and the document is analyzed, and the words are sorted and then presented in the table. The table shows that the word the was found 4,641 times. The table also breaks down the numbers into columns of how close they are found to each other. This first column indicates that there were 4,487 times that the word was found within 50 words of another occurrence of the same word. This table is sortable by clicking on any of the column headers. You can see how quickly it sorts, and we can also use this magnifying glass and type in a word to search. Here we can search for the word Barsoom, and we can see that it occurred 77 times. We can double click on the word, and we can see all instances of that word color-coded in the document. We can click on the bar chart on the right to jump to that place in the document, or we can use the arrows at the top, or we can simply use the keyboard up and down arrows to quickly move through our document, finding all instances of that word. The document can then be edited in the window on the left, and changes made if need be. We also have a stemming option. If we select this filtering option and then recount the file, it will group all words with similar stems together in one place in your table here. So now they're grouped in places where there's a plus sign indicates that there's a grouping of words. If we click on the plus sign next to the word had, you'll see that it found 4 different variations of that same word: had, has, have, and having. We can double click on the header, and it will go to all instances of those 4 words in the document. You can see there's quite a number here. There's more than 1,000. And we can use the same bar chart or arrow method to navigate the file. The column on the right lists how many total words were found, 64,210 in the document, and there's also a list of words to ignore that you can add words to. If you no longer want the word in to be counted, you can click the arrow here and that's added to a list, and it will be ignored in future counts.